So this hopper car was sitting here already on the siding, and now they brought this AIM car to the siding. I asked the conductor if they were going to be taking it away, and he said that no, the hopper car is an unbalanced load, and now this AIM car is an unbalanced load that somebody has to deal with. Well, they said this has an uneven load. I see what they mean. Look at the difference end to end. So now I see they just put the derailleur back on the closest siding, and now he's putting the derailleur back on the second siding away. So they must be done with the cars here. These are the engines that were in the Brantford yard earlier today. This is at Paris Junction in Paris, Ontario.